The human brain is a complex and remarkable organ that plays a central role in controlling and coordinating various functions of the body. Here are some interesting facts about the human brain. Size and weight. The average adult human brain weighs about 3 pounds, 1.4 kilograms, and has a volume of around 1,130 cubic centimeters. Neurons. The brain consists of approximately 86 billion neurons, nerve cells, that communicate with each other through trillions of connections called synapses. Electricity. The brain generates electrical impulses. The activity of neurons produces electrical patterns that can be measured with electroencephalography, EEG. Structure. The brain is divided into different regions, each responsible for specific functions. The cerebral cortex, for example, is associated with higher cognitive functions like reasoning, problem solving, and language. Gray and white matter. The brain is composed of gray matter, mainly cell bodies and dendrites, and white matter, nerve fibers or axons coated in myelin sheaths. Blood supply. The brain receives about 20% of the body's blood supply, despite constituting only 2% of the total body weight. It is highly sensitive to changes in blood flow and oxygen levels. Plasticity. The brain exhibits neuroplasticity, allowing it to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. This ability is crucial for learning, memory, and recovery from injuries. Energy consumption. Although the brain represents only a small percentage of body weight, it consumes a significant amount of energy, accounting for about 20% of the body's total energy expenditure. Sleep. Important. Sleep is crucial for brain function, consolidation of memories, and overall cognitive performance. Lack of sleep can impair judgment, memory, and concentration. Processing speed. The brain processes information at an incredible speed. Neurons can transmit signals at speeds up to 120 meters per second, about 268 miles per hour. Unique fingerprints. Similar to fingerprints, each person's brain has a unique pattern of neural connections, making each individual's cognitive processes distinct. Longevity. While neurons themselves can last a lifetime, the connections between them can change and adapt. The brain's ability to adapt, learn, and grow can persist throughout life. These facts highlight the complexity and fascinating nature of the human brain, which remains a subject of ongoing research and exploration in neuroscience.